Hello, today I will show you how to turn off your XIAOMI Huami Amazfit Bip watch. So first unlock the watch by pressing this key and now swiping to the left until we go to the settings menu. So let's swipe and here is the settings menu. Now tap it to choose it. Now swipe up until you find a turn off option. Select it and you will be asked if you really want to turn off the watch. Yes. And just like that, our watch has been turned off. If you want to turn it back on, simply press and hold this button. And just like that, our watch has been reset. So I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.